So I pre-ordered the What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, I'm letting you know what Samsung Galaxy S phone that I just pre-ordered. Man, this was bothering me. I was doing my research. I kept going back and forth. Which one do I want? Which one do I want to get? I put out a poll out there for the community. They said I should have got the S10 Plus. Did I agree with them? I kind of wanted to agree with them, but then I did my research, and I just don't think the S10 Plus is worth $1,000. That's at the basic model. If I want extra memory, if I want more storage, I'm gonna have to pay north of $1,000. I just don't think the differences from the S10 and the S10 Plus is worth that extra money that I have to pay to get the S10 Plus. The S10e looked very, very appealing. I almost went with the S10e, but the only reason why I didn't go with the S10e was because they're not giving you the Samsung wireless earbuds with the pre-order of the S10e, only with the pre-order of the S10 and the S10 Plus. Man, I so wanted that S10e so bad. I went to play with them at Best Buy. I looked at all three phones, and you know what? That S10e, it's a great phone. There's not that much differences between that S10e and the S10 Plus. And I think the S10 in the middle comes in between, which probably is the best bang for your buck when buying a Galaxy S10 this year. So let me tell you why I went with it. So the S10e costs $750. The S10 costs $900. The Galaxy S10 Plus costs $1,000. So we have the lowest model for $750. We have the middle model, which is the S10, for $900, and we have the S10 Plus for $1,000. The difference between the S10e and the S10 in price is $150. You get an extra rear camera in the back, you get a bigger display, you get an in-display fingerprint reader, and you get a bigger battery. For $150 more, to some that might not be worth that extra cash, and to some it might. To me, it kind of wasn't, because the in-display fingerprint reader is kind of a gimmick still. I like it, but I don't really enjoy it. And the extra telephoto lens on the back, I don't really use. So that's just, I don't really care about that. So I was leaning more towards the E, but the only reason why I leaned towards the S10 is because you get those free earbuds. It's $130 value. So that brings the gap even closer. Basically, for an extra $20 that you're shelving out of your pocket, you're getting the S10 if you consider those free earbuds. So the difference between the S10 and the S10 Plus is the front-facing camera and a bigger battery. That's an extra $100. The front-facing camera to the S10, it's wide angle, but it's not Pixel 3 wide angle. If you see those reviews out there right now, it barely even gets wide. So I'm not even worried about that. I don't even care about that camera. The bigger battery, I can live with the smaller battery. The S10, the 855 Snapdragon, is probably gonna do decent with power consumption. So I'm not even worried about battery life, because it's all right. And then you're gonna get a little bit bigger screen. So $100 more, it really wasn't worth it to me. And these are just my opinions. So I decided to go with the S10. I think it's the best bang for your buck. I really like the S10e, but because you're not getting the free Samsung wireless earbuds with the S10e, and you are with the S10, I think the S10 is the better buy if you pre-order. Now, once the pre-orders are gone and you're watching this video later on, then everything else is changed. So you have to do your own research, make sure which one's going to give you the most options, the biggest bang for your buck. Phones are getting expensive nowadays, and you really have to research and decide which phone is going to give you the best bang for your buck. So with that being said, let me know what phone you decided to pre-order from Samsung. Did you get the S10e? Did you get the S10 or the S10 Plus? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know also if you think I made a bad decision by going with the S10. Let me know why you think I made a bad decision. I don't care. You can tell me because I'm dumb or whatever. I just want to know why you think I made a bad decision. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.